Say hi. Say hello. This is Dominic, and he is going to help me open my box.
Oh!
I've been waiting for it. It's from Sweet Smells and Trinkets. Yeah. Are we happy? What do we get? Ooh. And I just want to point out, thank you for the Spider-Man box. Love it. Huge comic book nerd. Love it. Okay, let's see what we got, Dominic. What's all this? You want to make a mess? Ooh, what's that? Oh my goodness, look at all that oh, you're going to have fun with that. Okay, Dominic, what do we get? Look the size of this fortune cookie. Look, Dominic. Ooh. You like it? Smell it. Go look. Okay, and we got... What else did we get, Dominic? Ooh, bubble wrap. He loves bubble wrap. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. The April Fool's surprise candle. It's got 2 wicks and 3 different scents, and we have to guess what it is. It's like a total surprise. We have no idea what it is. And there is containing 1, 2, or 3 prizes, which I've heard that there's probably 3 in here because she couldn't help herself because she's awesome. Ooh, look at this. More bubble wrap for my booger face. Ooh. Oh, my cats are going to have a field day with this stuff. Oh, it's blue. Look at you. It's so pretty. Okay. And this is my surprise candle. I don't know the smell. Oh my God, I see the ring on top too. And it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is. Oh, it's right on top and it's so pretty. Oh, okay, I gotta open it now. I gotta open it. I didn't know this was gonna turn into a reveal video yet, but it looks like it did. Look at that, Dominic. It was literally sitting right on top, and it is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Do you see that? Oh, maybe some light. I'll take a picture of it better. Oh my God, my cat. No. Loki is extremely nosy. He loves boxes and let's see. Oh, stop it, Loki. Chaos in my house. This is what it is, chaos. Okay, so I got my three items. My beautiful fortune cookie. Look again. I don't even know. Everything I got was a total mystery. I have no idea what any of these scents are. It's a surprise fortune cookie. My 3-cent surprise candle, and my surprise smell candle. I have no idea what anything smells like. So I will have, I'm sorry, my cat is nosy. I will have so much fun trying to guess what everything is. Or, oh no, it's on here. Oh, she gave me Barlet pear. Barlet pear. Oh, I can't wait to smell it. Wow. Dominic, smell that. It's so pretty with all the gold on top. There's like gold little glitter. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous little ring. I did not know it was going to be on top. I will take pictures of everything, but just want to do the video. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye.